You're telling me that these Z-Force Z10s, all new to the market, all new UTVs, don't come with roofs? So this is the Z10 4-seater. This is the one that I first drove. I backed it off of the trailer and I really had no idea what to expect. I've heard the trail talk, I've heard everybody talk about it, but you never experience it until you experience it firsthand. Holy smokes, this thing is incredible. So the 2-seater, you got the 4-seater. Now you can see that we came out with the 4-seater roof, the tab winglets on the back, customizable, 40-inch dual row light bar here. As well as the 2-seater, the 4-seater is going to come with the same options. So as you can see here, this is what the 40-inch dual row light bar looks like. You can also run the rigid or the KC lights up on top. So I don't know where you're from, where you're watching from. We get viewers from all over the world. I'm in Texas and it's hot as so when I tell you that this roof blocks all of the sun from you, the climate, the rain, the mud, all of that, all of the above, it's going to do just that. So mark my word, write it down right now. These are going to explode in the industry. So you know us, we have to stay on top with all of the accessories. But this isn't it. We need you to comment down below, give your feedback of what you want us to see do with these. So what are you waiting for? Comment below, thumperfab.com, and I'll see you on the trails.